Hello, my name is Saili Bharat Save. Subject name is Entrepreneurship Management, and topic which is explained by me is startup story of Vinita Singh. Sugar. Entrepreneur Vinita Singh. Vinita Singh, born in 1983, is an Indian entrepreneur and CEO and co-founder of Sugar Cosmetic, a leading beauty brand in India. She has been a Shark, that is Shark investor, on the business reality show named Shark Tank India since the show started in 2021. Vinita Singh completed her electrical engineering study at IIT and earned her bachelor's degree in 2005. Afterwards, she obtained an MBA from Indian Institute of Ahmedabad in 2007. Her journey is a testament of her determination, reliance, and passion of entrepreneurship. 45,000 plus retail store in all over. Net revenue rupees 5.505 crores in the financial years 2024. Career. In 2007, Singh founded her own startup, Quietel. However, providing background of verification checks to recruiters failed to success. She started her own startup, Fabback, in 2012, a subscription platform that provides monthly deliveries of beauty products. Her third startup, Sugar Cosmetics, Singh provided together with her husband. Or in 2015, the company sells cosmetic and personal care products generated towards the Indian market. After closing a $15 million deal with private equity from El Cateron, Singh characterized the company's product as catering to the performance of women with diverse skin tones. In September 2002, actor Ranjit Singh invested in undisclosed amount and became a brand ambassador of Sugar Cosmetic. The motives as Vinita Singh that derived her entrepreneurs. Passion for innovation, desire for autonomy, special impact, financial independence, personal growth, and legacy building. Idea Vinita has been generated. Personal experience by drawing inspiration from her own life experiences, challenges, and observations, staying informed about industry, trends, consumer performance, and emerging market to identify opportunities for innovations. Engaging with diverse group of people such as mentor, peers, and industry experts to exchange idea and gain insights. The type of entrepreneur that Vinita Singh is. Vinita Singh is known as a social entrepreneur. She is a co-founder and CEO of Sugar Cosmetics, a beauty brand that empathizes inclusively and affordability. Singh's approach to entrepreneurs involves not only building a successful business but also addressing social and environmental issues. In her case, she has focused on creating a cosmetic brand that caters to diverse skin tones and is clearly free. She was only 23 when she declines one crore job offer an investment bank to start her entrepreneur journey. Now, after 10 years, $8.5 million is a funding and rupees 5,000 crores annual revenue. How Vinita Singh identified business opportunities? Vinita Singh identified business opportunities for Sugar Cosmetic by recognizing the lack of inclusivity in the Indian beauty market, particularly in terms of product catering to diverse skin tones. She observed the gap between high quality cosmetic and affordability, promoting her to create a brand that offered both seeing reach to consumers prefers and market traders likely play a crucial role in shaping vision for Sugar Cosmetic, allowing her to capitalize on opportunity effectively. What innovation did Vinita brought to enterprise? Tech enable solution, sustainable practicing, personalized marketing, social impact initiative. Challenges faced by Vinita Singh. Industry competition, funding and investment, market penetration, supply chain management, brand building, financial management. Scope. product range, market presence, innovations and traders, e-commerce and retail and brand identity. Rewards and recognitions. Singh has received the following awards and recognitions, either personally or in recognized for Sugar Cosmetic Entrepreneur Achievement. Two gold and two silver medals for IIT Madras, Macross, across for Inter IIT Sport Meets, and from 2001 to 2005. Retail Startup of the Year 2019 by Entrepreneur. Most Promising Brand of the Year 2009 by Economic Times. 14 under 40 2020 by Economic Times. 40 under 40 2011 2021 by Fortune Indian. Most Trusted Brand in India 2021 by CNBC TV 18. Most Admired Retailer Award 2025 by IMAGES Images. W Power 2021 by Forbes India. 40 under 14 2021 by BW Disturb. Young Global Leader 2025 by World Economic Forum. MPW 2022 by Business Today. Women Achievers Day Award 2023 by DNA India and MPW 2023 by Business Today. These are the recognition and award received by the Miss Sugar. A sugar है तो sugar है. This is the tagline of sugar.